Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about the campaign budget in Google Ads. Usually, or what happened when you decide at your daily limit of budget in Google Ads, but sometimes Google spend more than that, and you get surprised why this has happened. And it happened to me actually 2-3 times. I put one fixed monthly daily budget, and I saw after 1 day or 2 day the budget was increased. I thought maybe there is a little bit change, but all of a sudden when I saw after 1 week the budget was like 3 to 4 times more than my daily budget. So let's go and see this before you have a bad time with your client or with your pocket. So let's go and jump into my screen and check how we can fix this in a quick way. This is my Google Ads. You can see there is a tools and setting. You can go there. Once you click on tools and setting, you will see the option is called the rule under the bulk actions. So just click on the rules. Under the rule, I have put one rule here, but I'll create one more rule for your understanding. So just click on one plus new rule. For the campaign, you can create a rule. You can create a rule for the ad group, specific keyword, and all that. For this one, I'm just creating a rule for my campaign. So I select a campaign. So my campaign name or a rule name. So what rule you want? I want daily fixed budget. Yeah. So this is my campaign. This is my account number or account ID. Then I can select the action, which action I want. Enable campaign, change budget, change labels, send email. So what action I want? I want change budget. So as soon as my budget change, then this rule will be applied. So filtered by daily or campaign total. So I want daily. I want daily my budget. As soon as my limit increase or the budget goes over and above to my limit, I want daily it should be stop. What action I want action set a new budget. I can take the action of increase budget. I want decrease budget. So I want set a budget. So I want daily set a budget. So budget in amount AED, yes. So I want daily for 3,500 dirham. I want daily because this is my campaign budget. So I don't want the system will spend more than 3,500 dirham daily for my all campaigns. So to apply all campaigns or selected campaigns. So I want my all campaigns. There are 5 campaigns running right now. And then I want a condition. So I want all campaigns. Yes, there are 3 options here. You can apply for enable campaign, pause campaign, or enable and pause. So I'm looking for all campaigns. So what is the rule frequency? So I want this should be applied on daily. So daily there should be a time check and I will get a message. So I want 8 o'clock in the morning, for example, before I go to office. I want to see I have the budgets are fixed and it is not spending over and above to my limit, so I can do that. Using data all time or one time or daily or today or yesterday, this week, so I'll go for today. Email, I can put my email here. My email is there already, so you can see you can add your email and you can set up a rule 3,500 and this rule will be save the rule. Now this rule will be applied. So you can see my first rule was 3,000. Now I created a second rule. The first rule was pause the campaign if the system has spent more than 3,000, and this one is daily fixed budget. So the budget is fixed 3,500. So I just created this rule, but I don't want to apply that. I just created for you guys. So I'm just gonna close and delete this one because I want to pause my campaign once as soon as my budget cross 3,000 dirham daily. So my campaign should be paused. So I remove that. So this is how you can do this. You can do many variation in rule. You can create a rule for CPC. You can create a rule for your cost per install or cost per conversion, or you can create a rule for anything which is important for you. I hope this is good information for you. If you have any question, you can comment me below and share your views. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.